Hi traders, Anthony here. Here's the question. Is it possible to achieve a 30 out of 30 win rate without any technical analysis whatsoever? Well, stay tuned. First thing I want to say is with this strategy I'm going to show you is if you go through your list, okay, so I've got my Forex pairs here, I've got a crypto list, set up a list, start from the top and work your way down. Do this on a 3-minute, a 5-minute, and a 15-minute chart perhaps. Run through and have a look at every one of these alerts and see what kind of win rate you're going to get. Now, in this case, I'm not looking at any other chart. There's no higher time frame reference, nothing. This is trading purely off the signal. The alert fires, it goes into the alerts log over here. You can see all the alerts that are going off. I'm on a 5-minute chart. This is Atom. If the alert fires, you click on it. Look there, there's an extended. Well, we'll let that one go. These alerts here are the extended alerts, and they're pretty good as well. Look at them. Most of them are pretty good. That one there, yeah, you got a little bit out of it. But we're not looking at those alerts today. We're looking at these. And the question is a 30 out of 30 win rate possible? Righto. The strategy is the breakout alert goes off. You come into the chart and then you simply wait for the retest and fail. The retest, there's a previous high. The alert fired here, retests, and it fails here. Or the pullback into the mean, which is this center, this mid line running through here, the mean. Okay, retest and fail, pull back into the mean, take the trade. I do prefer to manage this on the 30-minute. However, you could trade this on a 5-minute chart. So your stop loss is going to go under the cloud, give it a little bit of room to breathe, and you're away. Target, I'm going to go 1 times the average true range, and I'm going to take 80%, and then I'm going to leave 20% in to run. So that's the strategy. So let's have a look at this. I have counted them back, and there are 30, okay? Here's the second one. There's the break. Simply wait for the pullback, retest and fail of the low here. There's your trade. Trade number 2. Trade number 3. There's the previous high. Retest, it failed here. There's your trade. Break, previous low, okay, retest, it failed around here. Take the trade short. And there's your trade. And again, you're looking to take 80% early, and you're trailing the rest. Stop losses out of the way, beyond the cloud here. In fact, you can actually go beyond the cloud and our outer trend line here. Okay, so just pop it in above there. Again, breakout, there it is. Okay, have a look left and you can see some levels. All right, the break happened. Now you'd probably take the trade around here. There's your outcome. You've taken 80% of your position early, and what you're doing is you're moving your stop loss up to break even or better once you take 80%. So if that's your entry, go for 1 times the ATR, take your 80, move your stop loss to break even or better, so it's at 0 risk. There's another one. Breakout, pull back, there's your trade. Breakout, pull back, there's your trade. All right, every single one of these, 30 out of 30 win rate. There's your trade. Breakout, pull back, there's your trade. That was a short-lived outcome. At least you've closed 80% and it's either break even or better. There's your break, pull back, retest of whatever. There's your entry, stop loss above the cloud. There's your trade. Guys, click on the link below the video. Go to my YouTube channel, look at my videos. I do training, tutorials, gain access to the indicators. These are available. There's a 7-day free trial, and if you're happy, you stay on board. It'll cost you. Your investment will be a couple of cups of coffee and a cake every month. Okay, you shout me a coffee and cake, and you've got full access. There's also my Telegram group and videos, daily videos, breakout, pullback. There's your trade on my strategies, and it's all about making money in the markets. Just keep siphoning money out of the markets into your account. All right, and then, depending on your trading skills, how well do you track that? The outcome depends on, wherever you close. The one way to do this is there's your break, there's your entry, and you can trail the outer dots if you want to, Once you gain a little bit of distance with it, you can pull your stop loss down and just trail it inside the cloud here, or you can stay outside. It just depends on you. Look, you know, once your stop loss is beyond your entry and you're already in profit, just give it a little bit of room to breathe and see the results. Some of these are going to pay really well. Again, there's another one, break, retest. Okay, there's your entry long. I mean, which one of these trades would you not want to take? Honestly, 5-minute chart, no technical analysis whatsoever. Okay, some of them pay better than others, of course. I mean, you're taking 80% at 1 times the average true range. By the way, we've got the average true range down here. It's a simple matter of looking at that and measuring the distance. So if the value is 0.114 here, you just grab your ruler. There's your ruler, you know, and you wherever your entry is. Let's say you traded this dot, which is a different strategy, pull it down and 0.10 or whatever it is, 0.1. You're looking down here and there's the value. 1 times the ATR, there's your TP1. Break, look, every one of these trades. And so, I mean, this is one strategy. This is the breakout. This one was the only one that was short-lived. And we made our 1 times the ATR. I mean, even if one of these stop losses get hit, it doesn't really matter because you're certainly going to make it up. And the 20% that you leave in the market, you know, that you leave running, I mean, look, if you do have a stop loss hit, it's so insignificant because the profits gained from the rest of these trades will, as I said, far outweigh whatever losses you incur. But I mean, going back 30 trades here, we haven't had a losing trade yet. Well, there are none. That's simply put, there are none. Guys, gain access to my strategy. Look, you'll go through these. Some will stand out more than others. Go through the 3, the 5-minute, the 15 minutes, and then you set the alerts. You simply go over to the indicator, click the 3 dots, add the alert, and I've got this, I think, but it's the breakout strategy, and the other one is the extended. Right? I'm going to go the breakout once per bar, breakout 5 in, and you can put the note in here if you like. You can put 30 out of 30. That could be the reminder that this is the strategy you're trading. Breakout 5-minute, no TA. There you go. Look, it's right there. Okay, so when the alert fires, you're going to see the note in the alert. Okay, guys, click the link below, go to my website, check my YouTube channel, and have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.